To us, the Cardinal Health Kendall DL system is more than just an ECG cable and lead wire system. It's a system that helps protect patients by reducing the risk of cross-contamination while addressing alarm fatigue with patented push-button technology that's clinically proven to reduce the risk of leads-off false alarms by 29%. It's a solution to help reduce setup time and improve patient flow with a universal adapter that allows teams to seamlessly transition the same lead set for a patient across departments and models of ECG monitoring equipment. It's also a way to help protect the environment and your bottom line. By reprocessing the Kendall DL single patient use cable and lead wire system with sustainable technologies, a Cardinal Health business, you're benefiting from partnering with a company that is an original equipment manufacturer, a reprocessor, and a trusted logistics provider. You'll experience consistent value. Our blended pricing model delivers one price point for a mix of new and reprocessed product. Committed inventory. Because we're the original equipment manufacturer and reprocessor, our blended code enables integrated purchasing of new and reprocessed product. Like new quality. We know the technical aspects of the Kendall DL system and can ensure that our reprocessed products meet the same specifications as our new product. Seamless sales and support. You'll work with a single point of contact for new and reprocessed products. And sustainability. Reprocessing can reduce a facility's environmental impact and minimizes supply chain disruption and demand fluctuations. Plus, Sustainable Technologies operates under a zero waste to landfill model, diverting 99.9% of all waste from landfills. We make the process simple and straightforward. Our team of experts works with your facility to establish a tailored collection plan to optimize efficiency. As a leading provider of single-use device collections, reprocessing, and recycling services, our Sustainable Technologies delivers value and flexibility to customers like you, while working to build a healthier future for patients and the planet. To learn more about reprocessing Kendall DL cable and lead wire systems with Sustainable Technologies, contact your local Cardinal Health representative or visit cardinalhealth.com/KendallDL.